Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to reply to Google Business Profile reviews using ChatGPT and add reviews in Airtable record. So I'm running an automotive repair business and I've added my business on Google Business Profile. Now I'm receiving a lot of reviews for my business on Google Business Profile and I want to automatically generate the reply by using ChatGPT. So here what I'm going to do is that as I'm going to receive a new review for my business on Google Business Profile, then automatically by using ChatGPT, I'm going to generate the reply and I'm going to create that reply in Google Business Profile automatically. After generating or creating that reply, I'm going to add the review details in my Airtable record. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new review on my Google Business Profile, then automatically by using ChatGPT, I'm going to first generate the reply and I'm going to create that reply in Google Business Profile. And after creating that reply, I'm going to add the review details in my Airtable record. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can reply to Google Business Profile reviews using ChatGPT and add reviews in Airtable records for automotive service. Now consider I'm running an automotive repair shop that receives reviews on Google Business Profile regularly. Now what I want is I want to automatically respond to each reviews based on the ratings, like thanking customer for positive reviews and addressing concerns in negative reviews. Also, I want to log all reviews in my Airtable database for record keeping, tracking customer sentiments and future references. So automating the process of replying to Google Business Profile reviews and logging them in Airtable using Pabbly Connect will help my automotive business efficiently manage customer feedbacks, maintain a positive brand reputation, and make data-driven improvements to my services. So this automation will ensure that every review is addressed professionally and important insights are gathered for business growth. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable. And now with this connection, what will happen is that as I'm going to receive a new review for my automotive service business in Google Business Profile, that automatically based on the rating, whether it's a positive review or a negative review, I'm going to address that review and I'm going to generate a professional reply for that review by using ChatGPT. And after generating that reply, I'm going to create that reply for my review on Google Business Profile. And after creating that reply in Google Business Profile, I'm going to automatically log all the detail of that review in my Airtable record. Now for building this connection, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to connect Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable without any coding and programming skills. So here for setting up this automation, I need to use Pabbly Connect. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab. And I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. So if we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in. And we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to reply to Google Business Profile reviews using ChatGPT and add reviews in Airtable for automotive service. Now I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action step. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Google Business Profile here. Now I'm going to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new review will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I need to sign in with Google. So I'm going to click here. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to select my account and the location name. So here I only have one account, that is of Parampara, so I have selected that. And in the location name, what I need to do is I need to select the business that I want to use for collecting the review details from Google Business Profile. So I'm going to open this tab and here I have this business of Parampara for my automotive repair shop. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my Google Business Profile. And here in my Google Business Profile, I'm going to scroll down and here I will receive all my reviews. So I'm going to click on this view all Google reviews button. And here we can see I have recently received this new review on my Google Business Profile that says love the service and I have received the rating that has the 5-star rating. So here this is my latest review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. And now what I need to do is I want to automatically generate the reply for this particular review. Now for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to click on Save and Send Test to This button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is my response of the review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. And in this response, I have my star rating that is of 5 star. I have my reviewer name that is Shrestha Upadhyay. And I have my comment or the review that says love the service. Now here we can see that I have received this response from Google Business Profile. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response. And within the next 8 hours, you are going to receive this response of the new review from Google Business Profile. So for reducing the polling time of Google Business Profile, what you can do is you can contact Pabbly Connect support team and you can reduce this polling time. And now with this polling time, what is going to happen is that in every 8 hours, Google Business Profile is going to collect the data for the new reviews and automatically within the 8 hours, we are going to receive the response of that review in Pabbly Connect. So in every 8 hours, it will start collecting the review data from Google Business Profile and it will send that data back to Pabbly Connect. So for every new review detail, we are going to receive this response from Google Business Profile within this polling time. Now here I have received this response and in this response I have received all the detail of my review that I have received from my customer and here I have received this response. Now what I need to do is that as I have received this review on my Google Business Profile for my automotive service, I want to automatically generate the reply for that review, and for generating the reply I am going to use ChatGPT and I'm going to post that reply back on this review on Google Business Profile. So first I'm going to generate the reply, and for generating the reply I need to use ChatGPT. So for that I need to set up my actions tab and here I need to search for my action application that is going to be ChatGPT. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select ChatGPT here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab and Ask ChatGPT will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to connect ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect, I need to generate a token, and for generating this token, I need to visit this page of OpenAI API keys page where I am going to generate the API key, and that API key is going to be my token. So for this, let me take you to my OpenAI API keys page. So I'm going to first take you to my account, and here this is my API keys page. Now in this API keys page, what I need to do is I need to create a new secret key. So I'm going to click on this create new secret key button. And here I need to first give a name to my key. So here the name will be GBP review and I'm going to click on create secret key button. And here we can see I have successfully generated this API key and this API key is going to work as my token. Now what I need to do is I need to click on this copy button. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that API key here in this tab of token. Now here I have added my token or my API key. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully connected ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my AI model. So I'm going to open this tab and here I have all these AI models that I can use with ChatGPT. So I'm going to use this GPT-4 as my AI model. And now I have to give my prompt that I want to use for generating the reply for my Google Business Profile reviews. So here my prompt will be, I'm giving you the review details that I have received from my customer on Google Business Profile. I want you to generate the reply for that review for my automotive service business only generate the reply in the response. I don't want any special details or any extra text, as I will directly use that reply to post on my Google Business profile. Now with this prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the detail of my review, rating, and my customer name. So here I'm going to add these details from my response of Google Business profile, and I'm going to use my response and I'm going to map those details here in this prompt. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open this response of Google Business profile, and here I need to first map my review. So this is my review or my comment that I've received from my customer. So I'm going to map this. I'm going to give the rating. So I need to click here. I will give a space. I will open this response of Google Business profile. And here this is my star rating. So I'm going to map this. And now I have to give my reviewer name. Now here we can see I've mapped all the required details and I've completed my prompt. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have received this message content, and this is the reply that I've generated by using ChatGPT. So my reply is, "Hi Shrishta, thank you so much for the 5-star rating and the positive review. We are so glad to hear that you loved our service. We aim to provide best service to our customers and your feedback reassures us. We look forward to assist you for your automotive needs in the future. Thanks again." So here I have generated this reply by using ChatGPT, and as I've generated the reply, what I need to do is I need to automatically create this reply in Google Business profile. So for creating the reply, I need to add one more action step. And here I'm going to search for Google Business profile as my action application. And I'm going to select Google Business profile here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create reply will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Google Business profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And I have already built this connection between Google Business profile and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection, and I need to click on save. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill these details of review name and your reply. So here I'm going to get my review name from my trigger response of Google Business profile, where I have received the response of the review that I've received from my automotive service business in Google Business profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the review name from that response, and for that I need to first toggle on this map button. I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Business profile, and here this is my review name or review ID. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to give my reply. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of ChatGPT, and here this is my reply that I've generated by using ChatGPT. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. Now here we can see I have received this response, and this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a reply for my review that I've received on Google Business profile for my automotive service business. So here I've successfully created the reply, and to check whether I've created the reply for my review on Google Business profile or not, let me take you to Google Business profile. I'm going to close this window. I'm going to refresh this page. And I'm going to click on this View All Google Reviews button. And here we can see that this was my review that was sent to me by Shrishta Upadhyay, and this is my review that says love this service and I have my star rating of 5 star. And in this review we can see I've automatically created this reply. So my reply is, "Hi Shrishta, thank you so much for your 5-star rating and the positive review. We are so glad to hear that you loved our service. We aim to provide the best service to our customers and your feedback reassures us. We look forward to assist you with your automotive needs in the future. Thanks again." So here we can see that this was my reply that I've generated by using ChatGPT, and as I've generated that reply, I have automatically created this reply on my Google Business profile. So here we can see that as I'm receiving a new reply on my Google Business profile for my automotive service business, then automatically by using ChatGPT, I'm generating the reply for that review, and I'm creating that reply on my Google Business profile. Now here I have automatically created this reply. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and I need to log all these details of my review in my Airtable record. So for that I need to add my last action step, and here my action application is going to be Airtable. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Airtable here. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create record will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to click on connect with Airtable. Now I have to scroll down and I need to click on this add a base button, and I need to select my base that I want to use for connecting Airtable with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to search for my base here, and I'm going to use this base of Google Business Profile Reviews. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on grant access to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here, and I have successfully connected Airtable with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first take you to my Airtable account, and in my Airtable account I have this space of Google Business Profile Reviews, and I have my table, that is table 1. Now in this table I have these columns of reviewer name, review, rating and the reply. So here in these columns what I need to do is I need to add all the detail of my review that I have received through Google Business Profile for my automotive service business. So for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here my base name is already selected because I have selected this base while creating this connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. Now I have to select my table name, and I only have one table here, so I have selected that too. Now I have to fill all these detail, and these are my columns that I have in my Airtable record. So here in these tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the detail of my review that I have received through Google Business Profile. So first I have to give the reviewer name, so I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Business Profile. And here this is my reviewer name, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to give the review, so I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Business Profile, and here this is my review, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map my review rating, and I'm going to give the reply that I've generated by using ChatGPT. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of ChatGPT, and here this is my reply, so I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required detail, and as I mapped these detail, I have made all these detail dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive new response of the review from Google Business Profile, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new review details in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new review from Google Business Profile, then automatically I will first generate the reply for that review by using ChatGPT, and I'm going to log or add all the detail of that review in my Airtable record. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new record in Airtable, and I have added all the detail of my review in my Airtable record. Now to check whether I have added these detail in Airtable or not, let me take you to Airtable. And here in Airtable we can see I have added all these detail of my review. So here I have my reviewer name, that is Shrestha Upadhyay. I have the review that says love the service. I have the rating that is 5 star, and I have this reply that I have generated by using ChatGPT. So this was my reply that I've generated by using ChatGPT, and I have automatically added all the detail of my review in my Airtable record. So here I have successfully created this connection between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable. And now whenever I'm going to receive a response of the review from Google Business Profile for my automotive service business, then automatically first by using ChatGPT, I'm going to generate the reply for that review, and I'm going to create that reply for that review on my Google Business Profile. And after creating that reply, I'm going to add all the detail of my review in my Airtable record. So here I've successfully created this connection and this automation between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and Airtable to reply to Google Business Profile reviews using ChatGPT and add reviews in Airtable records for automotive service. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Business Profile, and my trigger event was new review. Then I've set up my actions tab, and first I have used ChatGPT for generating the reply. Then after this, I have used Google Business Profile for creating that reply in my profile for the review. And after this, I have used Airtable for creating record or adding all my review details. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.